Hey guys, Eric Sue here. Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another episode of Goality Lifestyle. Today's episode is going to be about a follow-up to this tower garden, so stay tuned. Alright you guys, so if you're new here, welcome. I know you guys will learn a lot, so remember to smash the like button, subscribe button, notification button so you can get future videos just like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Alright you guys, so today I want to talk about this tower garden. It's a follow-up to my previous videos that I did regarding this. And I just wanted to show you how quickly this tower garden is growing these plants. Now, this is 2 weeks from me transplanting these seedlings in, and about 4 weeks total from seedling. So I want to take a closer look at each of these plants for you guys, and so you can see the type of growth. Now on this tower I have like 6 bok choy seedlings, I've got some lettuce seedlings, I got some kale seedlings, and they all look great. And in about, I'd say 2 more weeks, these guys will be ready to harvest, and 3 for sure. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update to let you guys know what's going on. And if you're interested in actually doing something like this, there's a link in the description where you can get more information and get started as well. So go ahead and check that out if you're interested. Otherwise, this is my tower, and it's been about 4 weeks from seedlings, 2 weeks since I transplanted these seedlings in here, and you can see how well it's doing. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you have any other comments, put them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, you guys, that's all for this video. If you got any value out of this, remember to smash the like button, subscribe button, and notification button so you can get future updates and videos just like this. See you guys later. Bye.